In day 7, we're going to start talking about inequalities. The inequality symbols that you need to know. The first one is less than. Here's your symbol. Here's greater than. Less than or equal to has the little bar underneath it, and greater than or equal to. In example 1, we're going to solve the inequality and list 3 possible solutions to this inequality. So in letter A, we have x plus 6 is less than or equal to 10. If I'm looking to solve for x, it's on the left-hand side. The opposite of adding 6 would be to subtract 6. So I'm going to subtract 6 on the left, which means I also have to subtract 6 on the right. This leaves me with x. I'm going to bring down the sign, less than or equal to 4. So x is less than or equal to 4, and then I need 3 possible solutions. So some possible solutions would be any number that's less than or equal to 4. So 4 would work, since it could be equal to it. And then any number smaller than 4, something like 2, negative 10 is also a number smaller than 4. All of these are possibilities up for my x. What I would like you to do is do the try this, solve for x, hit the pause button and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, you should have ended up with negative 6 is greater than x. One way to look at this is to flip the sides. So the x over here and the negative 6 here. If I switch those sides, I also switch my inequality sign. It makes it easier to come up with your solutions when the x is on the left, because now as I read it, x has to be less than negative 6. So possible solutions that you could have are any numbers smaller than negative 6. So numbers like negative 8, negative 10, negative 11, those are all numbers smaller than negative 6. If you have questions on this, please raise your hand and I'll come around and answer them.